In this video, I'll show you how to find Wix promo codes in 2026. First, visit the official Wix website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're signed in, open your Wix dashboard. Next, click Upgrade or get a premium plan from your dashboard. Review the available plans and check whether Wix is currently offering any discounts or promotional pricing. After that, subscribe to the Wix email newsletter so you can receive notifications about upcoming promotions and special offers. You can also check your Wix account dashboard for personalized discounts that may be available. Now, if you have a valid promo code, begin upgrading to a premium plan. During the checkout process, look for the promo code or coupon code field. Enter your code and verify that the discount is applied before completing your purchase. Finally, review your order summary to confirm the discounted price and finish the checkout process. If no promotions are currently available, you can check back later, as Wix frequently updates its offers throughout the year. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to find Wix promo codes in 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.